Hi, everybody. I want to give you a little update with the shop. I am now with Booth. I've been somewhere 4 to 6 weeks without it, which kind of helped me up a little bit. But I brought some other work in that I could do without the need of a booth. But yeah, I want to show you this thing. Let's check it out. So hold on. I'm gonna fold it up. First thing you gotta do is raise the ceiling. Fold the outside wall in. Whoops, close my door. Got some ball jacks. That's what they're called. Sounds kind of dirty, but I think that's what they're called. There we go. We have a small hump in the middle of the floor, so that doesn't help. And that's about it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna leave the roof up. We're not gonna fold that down. But what it does is it gives me more shop space to work on when I'm not painting something. So I absolutely love it. Buddy of mine, Kurt, little shout out. Thank you, buddy. Did an awesome job framing it, getting it in plastic, building the whole thing. So yeah, we're good to go. So I'll be painting something out of here pretty soon and do a little video on that. But thanks for tuning in. I hope everybody's having a great weekend. If you're on here on TikTok, hit the follow. I'd appreciate it. Got a ton of stuff coming up. If you're on YouTube, same thing. Tons of videos, tons of stuff in the shop. So thanks everybody. Appreciate it. And we'll see you soon.